It's a bargain-filled briefcase coming your way. The deal, the savings, and something guaranteed to be music to your ears. Oh, how I wish there was cold hard cash in here. Great to be with you. I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. What is the best portable Bluetooth turntable if you want vinyl brought into the new age? If this is a nostalgic factor for you, maybe you grew up with turntables, maybe you can remember what your first record was. I actually grew up, I'm 34 this year, and I grew up with some vinyl still in the house. Obviously, my dad had a, not obviously, you don't know my dad, but my dad had a very active CD collection. But I do remember listening to Bruce Springsteen on vinyl, and it was so cool. And I remember I was a little boy, so I don't know what this means to you, but for me, this is an amazing deal. At under 45 bucks with delivery, you can score something tied to a brand that's been there since day one. Or not day one, but Victrola, I believe since like 1905 and 1906, they've been making turntables. So this is a Bluetooth turntable. I'm going to do a full unboxing for you, but just to give you an idea right now of the audio coming out of here, I'm streaming from my smartphone. There's nothing going on. My microphone's over here, the speakers are over here. And it, like, listen to that. Hear the audience? Phenomenal. Now, if you want to score the deal that I'm profiling today, just expand the video description box right under me. There you'll find everything you need. But if you are looking for a portable record player that gets 3 different speeds worth of vinyl taken care of, but also has that Bluetooth capability, you're going to want to see what I have. Okay, let's open this up. And I'm pretty sure Victrola has been around since, I don't know, 1900-something. 1905, something along those lines. They've been there for a very long time. So it's so interesting to see Bluetooth and their name in the same sentence. But this is a case of old meets new. So this actually comes packaged very well. Let's open this up. I have it upside down, of course, just like my life. Really nice. I actually, to be honest, I don't always gravitate toward white products. Just think they show dirt, and if a product is not made well, black hides it, white does not. This is a very nice finish to it, very nice craftsmanship. A little bit of packaging dust in here. What is this, dust? No, it's fine. Okay. So, let's take this off right here. You can see that, oh, this is what it is. Ha! Piece of loose cardboard. That was what is depositing there. I always find that interesting. Okay. The plug adapter is right here. And the instructions. Get this hooked up, and we'll take this bad boy for a spin. On the back is where the power goes. You also have audio line out, which is really good to see. Obviously, on any turntable, you don't want some dinky machine that doesn't have the capability to expand into a larger audio system. And then, of course, you have the line out here, auxiliary headphone jack, and you have another actual dedicated headphone line right here. And then the Bluetooth functionality, you can also change the speeds, which is great. All right, I'm gonna plug this in. So obviously, this can play 33s, 45s, and 78s. Let's put this on right here, line that up. Push down. You've got an adapter when you want to play 45s or different size records. Let's turn this on right here. Now I'm going to use the phono setting, obviously with Bluetooth, with the speakers that are built in here, and you get some really decent stereo speakers given the size and incredible speakers given the price. You can play till your heart's content or stream from another device. But we're going to go right up here. And just do a drop right here on Matt Nathanson. Here we go. Really good. That's loud. Beautiful. So I just want to show you, one of the ways that you can easily discern quality with some of these turntables is how the drop sounds. Sometimes you get a little bit of a scratch, and it almost sounds like there's an imbalance between the tone and the vocals on the really cheap turntables as it almost catches up to itself speed-wise. Let's do another drop right here. You'll hear right now that this just is an instant playback, and I really like it. Beautiful. And with the volume controls, which is great, you can hear there's real clean, clear audio and a decent amount of bass given the size of this. Let's crank it. Love this. And a nice thing about this is if you do want to plug in headphones and enjoy this on its own, it's a lot of new technology built into something that's been around from basically like my grandparents' time. Love this. Beautiful audio. So there you have it. This is a phenomenal grab. I love this adapter. I love the different speeds and this Bluetooth streaming. It's such tremendous audio. I know sometimes I rock out to acoustic like I'm at a Metallica concert, but I'm just enamored with this. Well, let's turn this off. And if you want to turn yourself on to those savings, again, under 45 bucks, superb deal. And then you can just pack it up and take it to your next destination. Or better yet, find one filled with cash. The money you're saving, again, you know where to score. And if you want to make sure you don't miss out on any of my other future deals, I'd be honored to have you as a subscriber. Just click on my oversized head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click there. And that last big roundup of deals I did, right over there.